Magandang araw sa lahat. Ngayon po ay September 17, 2020. So we'll see as usual yung mga stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. But before that, we will go first to PCI. Tingnan natin yung PCI kung ano na yung price action ng PCI. So let's go to PCI. So ito yung PCI ngayon ay bumaba ng 0.05%. Yung EB20 ay nasa 5942.8372. So nasa ibabaw pa naman ng EB20. Ngayon kung lagyan natin ng trend line, ay hindi pa rin naka-break sa incline resistance yung PCI natin. So last Tuesday rather, yung PCI natin ay nag-try na mag-break sa incline resistance, pero hindi niya na-break yung incline resistance. So bukas, kung ang PCI ay mag-close above 5946.05, so may pag-asa na ma-break yung incline resistance, yung blue line. But in case hindi niya ma-break and mag-close siya below 5,886.33, we will expect PCI will going back to this area. Or kung hindi niya ma-hold itong nag-reach ng minor yung resistance ditong area na ito. But if he will close, as I said, below 5886.33, there is a possibility that PCI will going back to this line, this bottom support, this area. So yun po ang analysis natin sa PCI. So now let's go to the stock na nasa yung mga companies na yung price ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. So let's go to the screener. So ito na yung screener na ginawa natin. Ini-explain ko na yung stock na ang presyo ay nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Ngayon po ay mayroon tayong 41 na companies. But we will review only yung stock na malapit na sa AMA 20. Okay? Kung may mag-bounce siya doon sa AMA 20, always we will check out AMA 20. Now, we will check ACN. Yung closing price, last price ng ACN ay 3.06. The low is 3.05. The high is 3.16. And the AME 20 is 2.92. It means malayo pa ito sa nasa taas pa ng AME 20. Now let's see. 235 the closing price. The low is 2.21. The high is 2.37. And the AME 20 ay 1.97. So, nasa taas pa ng AME 20. So, yung RSI ay 81.9. EPL. Yung AME 20 ay 0.056. So, malapit siya sa may AME 20. So, we will check out EPL. ARIT. Ang closing price ng ARIT ngayon ay 25.8. Yung low natin ay 25.7. Yung high is 26. AME 20, 25.63. So, ibig sabihin, hindi nasa taas na ng AME 20 si ARIT. So, 80, but we will see ARIT. Yung 80 ay overbought. So, let us skip the overbought stock. BC. Ang RSI ay 57.10. Yung last price ay 275. Yung low is 268. BC po ay nasa bandang AME 20. Bcor ay overbought. So, we'll skip Bcor. BRN 0.80. And the low is 0.79. AME 20 is 0.79. So, we'll check BRN. CDC. Yung low is 0.8, 0.85. So, nag-touch po yung candle natin sa AME 20. CHP, 144, the low 145. So, malayo pa sa AME 20. CNPF, 1714. And our AME 20 is 1718. So it means nag-touch na yung AME 20, yung presyo sa AME 20. Call is overbought. Dito, yung low is 363, 371. So it means nasa taas na ng AME 20. So, yung dito lang, ano sa dito, yung EDX natin ay nasa above na ng 25 at saka yung MACD ay nasa above ng signal line. So, strong po yung dito but we need to see because this is overbought, 71.62. We will see the next resistance of dito. Eagle. So, 73.1. EEI. 6.61. So, nasa taas ng AME 20. Malayo pa. Emperador. Yung AME 20 natin ay 9.91. Pero yung low ng Emperador ay pumalo sa 9.78. So, it means Emperador is touching AME 20. Capgen. Yung low is 24.35. Nag-close siya sa 24.8. So, we will see it then. FNI. EME 20 is 1.25. The low is 1.26. So, it means nasa ibabaw ng EME 20. Green. 2.10. The high is 2.19, 2.04 yung EMA 20. So it means nasa taas ng EMA 20 ito. No? We will wait. Lumapit doon sa may EMA 20. Ginebra San Miguel. Yung EMA 20 natin is 44.39. So malayo. Yung I, 1.25. The low, 1.05 EMA 20. So malayo sa EMA 20 at saka overbought. ICT. Yung ICT, yung EMA 20 natin ay 106.07, but yung low ngayon ay 105.2. So it means this ICT ay nag-touch sa EMA 20. RIC, IRC 1.2, the low, but our EMA 20 is 1.15. So we'll muna yung IRC malayo pa sa EMA 20. LIHC, yung low is 0.59 at saka yung EMA 20 is 0.61. It means nag-touch ito sa EMA 20. Makay, 742. Our EMA 20 is 8.04. So we'll include Makay. MEH, 185, 166, nasa ibabaw ng EMA 20. MM, 3, the lowest 3.02, we'll see MM. MRC, 0.25, 0.24, so malapit na lang ito sa may EMA 20, MWC, 410.02, the low, and 13.92, so hindi siya nag-touch, no? INI, 2.08. The EMA 20 is 2.01, so malayo. Now, 2.34, 2.27. So malayo pa si now. KX, 425. So malayo sa EMA 20. ROX, 189, 179. Wala. Spacey, 9.17, 8.91, TUGS, 1.11. Okay. So we'll going back to the chart. Tingnan natin yung mga stock na nag-hit sa EMA 20. So we'll always see the stock EMA 20 kasi yun po ang area na possible na mag-bounce yung price. So, we'll go to the chart. So, yung APL, so yung APL ay nag-touch sa EMA 20. So, the high price of EPL is 0.06. So we need tomorrow, if the closing price of EPL is above 0.06, so EPL is okay po yung EPL pag mag-close siya tomorrow above 0.06. So now, we'll see the EDX, it's above 56. So malakas yung EDX natin. At saka yung MACD ay hindi pa naman nag-close down sa signal line. At saka nasa above ng zero line. So we need to see EPL because nasa resistance po siya. Nag-hit na sa resistance kanina. Dalawang beses na ito nag-hit sa resistance. So we need to wait if EPL mag-hit sa above 0.06. Next one, ARIT. Ito yung tinitingnan natin kahapon. Yung ARIT ay ayos naman ang ARIT ngayon. Kasi yung closing price ay above 25.75. So pumalo siya dito sa may minor resistance. We will see tomorrow kung ma-break na itong resistance na ito. But we see the EDX ay mahina. So, hintayin na natin na pumuisto yung arit ditong area. As I said yesterday, kung tumataas siya tapos mag-pull back, dito yung area na tinaabangan. Kasi ngayon malapit sa may minor resistance, baka bumalik. So BC, ito na yung BC, nag-touch na sa may 20. So we need BC to close tomorrow above 2.78. But kung hindi, so there's no buying signal opportunity for BC. But the MACD now is closing down, so we need to take her. Because MACD is closing the signal line, ADX above 25, so strong po. So we need to see. But if BC will close above 2.78, so there's a chance that BC will going back to this area. So there's a chance na bumalik siya dyan if close siya below above 2.78 tomorrow. But if you will close below 2.68, keep away because there's a possibility that this stock will go on this area. And take note, the MACD is going down. Now BRN. For BRN, we need the BRN to close above 0.81 tomorrow. But this resistance is malapit lang, no? Nasa 0.83. So, kaunti lang po yung kikitain natin dito. So, we need, for me, if I'm the one to see this stock, I need to hit BRN to climb on this area. Okay. If it will go up, and then if there is a retracement, and it's going to MA 20, so this is the time. But now, malapit lang, oh, so may resistance. CDC. Yung CDC ay tumaas ngayon. So, there's no way for CDC today. Tomorrow, kasi napakataas na yan. How many percent? From this line going to this line, 6.52%. So, kung sumakay kayo yan, pag bumaba ulit yan, so, yan kay maiiwan kayo sa taas. CNPF. Yung CNPF ay nag-touch sa MA 20. Ngayon, tingnan natin bukas. But I think parang hindi mangyayari na mag-close siya below above 17.70 tomorrow. So we need to expect another retracement going down near to MA 20. Kung tingnan natin yung MACD is closing down sa signal line. So the momentum now is going down. And the question, kung malakas ba yung momentum going down? Yes, because PDX is above 25. So, but in case MACD will going back and cross above the signal line, it is good for CNBF. But for now, we need to monitor if MACD will going back to the above the signal line. So we need to wait and we will monitor this stock because yung pullback niya ay hindi madikit, oh. Malayo yung mga pullback sa NPF. Now, itong dito, actually, meron akong share dito sa dito. I will wait dito to break this incline resistance. Because I see that the EDX is above 26. So, strong po yung EDX niya. And then, the MACD is above the signal line. And also above the zero line. So, parang bumukaka na yung MACD. So, there's a possibility that this dito will hit on this area. This blue line. So, kung umabot siya diyan, so this is the time I will decide. Maybe we'll going back again to this incline support. But now, dito, malakas po yung nandito, yung DX. So, we will see tomorrow. Emperador. Si Emperador ay nandito sa may 20. Kung makita mo yung Bollinger Band, sumisikip yung Bollinger Band. So it means there's a possibility that it's going to sideways direction. So pag sumikip yung Bollinger Band, there is two scenario na pwedeng mangyayari. So pwede siya bumaba o pwede siya tumaas. Pero if ever mag-close sa above sa 9.97, may possibility na itong ay umabot itong malapit lang yan sa 10.13. So, we will see the EDX above 25. MACD ay nasa ilalim. So, maganda sana kung si MACD ay nag-cruise above the signal line. Nasa ilalim pa. We don't know what's the next price action of Emperador. So, we will wait. So, next one, we will see the FGIN. Itong FGIN po ay isa sa blue chip stock, no? FGIN. So, we'll see FGIN. So, yung FGIN ay yung MACD ay taper down. Price action ay nasa above 20 pa naman. But we need FGIN to close above 25.25 bukas. Pag hindi, there's a possibility that this FGIN will break this incline support. Pag ma-break na ito, so of course, it will go retracement. Baka dito sa may 50 or may 100. But maganda kung dito na si FGIN. So we need to see tomorrow if we will close above 25.25. Next one is ICT. Tingnan natin ito kagabi, yesterday. Yung ICT ay nag-close siya sa above 107.7. So, we need to watch this ICT. Because now, this is the last resistance for ICT. And it is above all exponential moving averages. But we will see the MACD. MACD ay nag-closing up naman si MACD. No? Nag-close up na yung MACD. But the issue here is the EDX. So there's a possibility that this ICT will hit on this blue line, which is around 110. And if MACDs continue going up, no, the IDX, so there is a chance that this ICT will break this resistance. So you need to watch this ICT. Mas maganda naman yung ano ni ICT ngayon. So next one, LIHC. Si LIHC. Pag tingnan natin si LIHC, we need, if LIHC will close above 162, bukas, so there's a possibility na ma-hit niya itong 0.64. Pero malapit lang yan, no? County lang, wala ka namang kitain yan. So, it's better we will let LIHC to break this blue line, which is 0.64 level. And if there is a retracement, this is the time we need to see. Kasi malayo pa yan, no? Sa 0.81 going to 0.64. At ngayon, napakasikip, no? Tingnan natin yung EDX, nasa below 25, so non-trending. So mahina yung strength niya. MACD hindi mo naman nag-cross down. But for me, it's better we will wait LIHC to break this blue line. Next one is Makay. Ito po yung tumataas nung last week. Galing sa may 9.48, nagsa-sideway. Ngayon, we will see if we will close tomorrow above 12.18. But we need to see the MACD is closing down. So we need to take care. MACD closing down. But the good thing for Makay, the ADX is below 25. So mahina po yung strength. So if we will bounce tomorrow about 12.18, when we close 12.18, so it's good for Makay. So last one, now we have in. We took this also yesterday. You need to watch this MM kasi nagsa-sideway. Yung Bollinger Band ay palit ng palit. But if Mary Mark will close above 3.06, so there's a chance that he will go to this area 3.27. But if he will close tomorrow 3.02, so you need to avoid because it will go down. And we take note our ADX is below 25. MACD nasa above zero line but below the signal line. Pag mag-cross ito sa may signal line, it's good for in. But we need to see the price also close above 3.06. Next one is MRC. Yung MRC ay malayo na sa may 20. So we need to wait MRC to going back to 20. Kasi malayo na. If we see the EDX is above 45, napakalakas ng stock. But if MACD, yung MACD ay nasa ilalim. So we don't know, maybe we will going down. So if we will go down, so malakas po yung retracement niyan kasi yung EDX ay nasa above 25. So kung tumaas naman siya dito sa may bandang blue line, so pabayaan mo yan kung tumataas. Just wait kung mag-pull back siya sa may EMA 20. So huwag niyong habulin yung presyo na tumataas. Mahirap yun. And I experienced that one. Okay? So that's all for the stock, yung companies na yung prices ay nasa taas ng lahat ng exponential moving averages and the price is near EMA 20. So we need to watch palagi yung EMA 20. Yun po yung titingnan natin palagi. So, pag malayo sa EMA 20, overbought, so avoid. So we will wait if there is a retracement. So kung ipakita ko sa inyo dito yung dito tayo sa screener. Tingnan natin yung screener. So ito yung mga stock na nasa taas na ng lahat ng exponential moving averages. Okay. So if you want to see the stock nasa above EMA 200, so ipakita ko sa inyo yung so ito po yung mga stock na nasa taas na ng EMA 100. So check if there is a candle near the EMA 20. So halimbawa itong AGI, wala po yan, malayo yan, no? Kasi yung low ay 7.09, pero yung EMA natin 20 is 6.56. So just hanap muna ng iba. Okay? Pero yung east-west, halimbawa itong east-west, 8.16, yung low, 8.15 yung EMA. So you need to see. Yan lang. So if you want to see also the stock above EMA 50, ito po yung mga stock na nasa above EMA 50. So just check what stock near the EMA 20. And the stock above EMA 20, ito po yung mga stock na nasa above EMA 20. Okay, nandito yung tech. Star Mall, T, BLL, nandito lahat yung Ali, Ayala Corporation. So check the stock if it is near EMA 20. But if you want to see the stock in a downtrend, this is the stock in the old downtrend below EMA, below exponential moving averages. Yung Jollibee, nag-down is Jollibee. Okay? Itong si Jollibee, yung kasi nito ay I think 139, 129 yung per value. So bumababa siya. So it is recommended to buy below 99. So we will see kung mag-down pa siya sa 99. So ito yung mga stock na nasa downtrend. So avoid muna sa mga stock nito unless if you see a pattern, bullish pattern, and EMA 20. Okay? So that's all for today. And I hope na mayroon kayong natutunan sa mga stock na ating tinitingnan, yung mga indicator. So shout out sa mga viewers, sa aking kaibigan, Engineer Edwin Bilan, and to Mercy Aknas, viewers, and Engineer Eric Lomontan. Okay. Thank you very much and God bless us all. We will see you tomorrow in the trading.